Take one. Welcome to my channel, ADB Red Bikes. Neil from New Brunswick, Canada. Here's an introduction to my channel. You can see my Africa Twin 2017 DCT. And in the background, we've got our 2016 CRF L250 Honda for the trails. Hoping to have a number of videos for you on my days off. I'd like to have a look around the garage and also see a little bit of CB 300F, my wife's bike. She's looking to get a new one. Don't know when that'll be, we'll have to see. But if you'd like to join, hit the subscribe button up top, like my video, and we'll see you out there. Ride well, ride safe. What a lot of fun this ride is. Look at that. Water hole. CFL 250 Honda. About to take it.